Tell me, have you ever wondered why do we celebrate Navratri for 9 nights? Why not 5? Why not 10? Why the sacred rhythm of night? Well, the answer is older than time. It begins with a battle so fierce, so cosmic that it still resounds in our bodies, our very own souls. Namaste, my dear explorers. This is Shaurya welcoming you to our channel Manarshi, young explorers of the Golden Sparrow. Here, we kids are trying to figure out why our Bharat Desh is also popularly known as the Golden Sparrow. In today's episode, let us explore why do we celebrate Navratri. Long ago, a demon called Mahishasura rose to power, half man, half beast. He, with cruelty and arrogance, he conquered both heaven and earth. No gods could stop him, no weapon could pierce him. And in desperation, the gods merged their energies. Shiva's power, Vishnu's balance, and Brahma's wisdom. And from that binding fire emerged Durga, Adi Shakti, the eternal mother. For 9 nights and 10 days, she battled Mahishasura relentlessly, untiring, taking a new form each night revealing a new face of Shakti, a new lesson for humanity. Those 9 nights were not just history, they were a map of energy, of consciousness, of the human journey itself. Did you know our human body is like a temple with 9 sacred openings? The eyes, the mouth, the nostrils, the navel, the 2 lower gates. Each one is a channel of energy. Each one must be purified. And within this temple rises a ladder of light. The sacred chakras, rising from the root of our spine to the crown of our head. And these Navdurgas are not just goddesses. These are the guardians of this inner temple where each one whispers, awaken and purify. Now, let's meet the 9th form of Shakti. On the first night, Shakti took form of Shailaputri, the root chakra. She is the daughter of the mountains. She is stability itself. At the root of her spine, she anchors us and says, stand firm, stand strong. Without her, life shakes, and with her, you stand fearless. On the second night, it is Brahmacharini, the sacral chakra. She is the glowing seeker that walks barefoot with discipline. She teaches us to control our desire and turns passion into purity, keeping creativity balanced. On the third night, Shakti takes the form of Chandraghanta, the solar plexus chakra. She rides a lion and is crowned with a crescent moon. Her bell destroys doubt and awakens courage. She makes us fearless. And at the navel, she lights the fire of strength. The fourth night, Shakti takes form as Kushmanda, the heart chakra. She is the smiling mother that created the universes. She opens her heart, fills it with joy, love, and compassion for all. The fifth night is of Skandamata, the throat chakra, seated with Skanda in our lap. She blesses truth in speech, healing words, and empowers silence. The sixth night is of Katyayani, the third eye chakra. She is born to destroy all evil. She is the warrior. She is the destroyer of all evil. She is a warrior. At the third eye, she awakens intuition with vision beyond eyes and knowledge beyond books. Kalaratri is the crown chakra. As dark as the night as protective. She stands at the doorway of liberation, where self meets the divine. The eighth night is of Mahagauri, the purifier, gentle and bright like the moon. She washes away past karma, purifies the soul, and brings peace like white snow. The last night is of Siddhi Datri, the completion. She is the final step towards the path of blessing. She completes the soul, purifies us, and brings us wisdom. She is the final blessing of the path and the crown of awareness. She brings us wisdom, grace, and perfection. And on the 10th night, she struck Mahishasura down. The day was not just a victory over a demon. It was the triumph of Shakti over darkness, of knowledge over chaos, of discipline over ignorance. Yes, we all may remember it as Ram's triumph over Ravana, but no. Before that, it was Durga's triumph, the victory of a mother, of the eternal feminine force that holds the universe together. So, what is Navratri? It is not just a festival. It is the 9 nights, 9 steps of purification to awaken the soul within. So this Navratri, don't just light the lamps around, but light the lamp within you. Because Shakti is not far away. She is within you. And when you awaken her, you awaken yourself. That is it for today's video. This is Shaurya signing out. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel Manashri, Young Explorers of the Golden Sparrow. And in the end, all I want to say is Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Sanstita Namastaste 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 Namo Namaha. So let us enjoy the 9 nights of Navratri with all enthusiasm. Thank you.